for a more in-depth look at the actual router table, let me start here. This is the sliding router top. It has a PCT track here and it's kept in line by these two aluminum tracks. And has UHMW here in order to smooth very nicely against the aluminum. It doesn't have any play at all. So you see it slides very smoothly, but I can simply remove it when I want to. And as you might have seen, there's a pocket hole here and there's a screw going into here, so I can lock it down when I want it to be a solid tabletop. Here is the power switch, just a simple 120 volt power switch tied into an extension cord, so I can plug the router into it, control it, and have the power go to the wall. Here's the door, just some 1/8 inch plexiglass, a cabinet door handle, some foam, and a magnetic catch to make sure it stays sealed. It keeps the dust from coming out at me this way. Here's just a little place where I can store all my router bits eventually. And let me move in for a more close look at the fence. And this is the fence. As you can see, it's constructed from 1/2 inch plywood. It has a piece of PVC here so I can suck up the dust using my shop vac. These two pieces can move here using this knob right here. I can turn it and be able to move this out. Same thing for this one. I just loosen that and this moves. This opens up a gap here, and goes directly to the PVC, which goes to the shop vac so I can collect all the dust. The router table is adjusted through these knobs here, which allow it to slide back and forth. And I can position it where I want it and then lock it down. And the next thing is going to be the router mounting plate. The router plate, as you can see here, is just some 3/16 tinted plexiglass. It's simply, if you lift it up, the router comes up. The router is attached to it using these 3 screws. And the depth is adjusted here through an Allen key, which connects to the plunge base here. I'm using the regular plunge base as a router lift, and that's pretty much it. This dado is cut into here to keep the router plate flush with the top, and has adjustable depth through these screws here. But that's a pretty simple design, and I guess that's it for the router table build. I hope you guys enjoyed that 3-part series. If you didn't see parts 1 or 2, links will be at the end of the video and in the description. If you have any questions about it, you can leave them down in the comment section below. If you want to see more content like this, you can subscribe to be notified about my future videos. And you can also check out my website, bossworkshop.com. But other than that, I guess that's it. So, as I said, leave any questions in the comment section below. But that's it for this video. So please comment, rate, subscribe, and thank you for watching.